whatsoever. So, from the previous video, you guys left some comments, one specifically from Motive 8D. I don't know if I motivated. Wow. So you left Pennzoil 5W30 Ultra Platinum, and you said you used that along with the Ceratec treatment, and that made the tick go away. So I'm hoping that the next time I change the oil, I do that and that tick does go away. But I just wanted to mention that I do read your guys' comments, and I'm going through them like right now. So just so you know, I do read these. It might take me a couple days to respond, but thank you guys for commenting. Thank you for watching, and let's resume the video. All right. So where we left off on the last video, you saw I was still frustrated because that tick was still kind of there. It was less pronounced, but it was still kind of there. Now, you might be asking, hey, if the tick's still there, why are you driving the car? Well, because I wanted to figure out if it was a tick from the exhaust or if it was a tick from the motor. Well, here's the thing. So shortly after I put the car together, I was kind of pissed off because, of course, the tick was still there. And I hadn't driven the car in a while. And I was like, you know what? I paid good money for this car. I'm going to drive it. When I did end up driving the car, I drove the piss out of it. I'm not going to lie. I drove the piss out of it. But what I realized, nice curve here. After that was when I went and parked my car into my metal garage, which if you have a metal garage, you know for a fact that it amplifies the sound. It amplifies it by a lot. I parked it, I didn't hear it. I did not hear the tick. So when the car's cold, the tick is present. But when I heat the headers up by driving the piss out of it, the sound is gone. What that tells me is the tick is probably not coming from the motor. Because as you saw in the last video, I went through everything. I went through, well, everything to me. I probably could have done more. Hold on, 1 second. Tires there. There was no traction there whatsoever. So what that tells me is that there's a leak in my header, my passenger side header, that is not present on my driver's side header. Now, I don't want to pull the K-member off to get everything off again, and yeah, you can do it without pulling the K-member off, but at the same time, it's like playing Jenga to get the headers out, and I don't want to do that. I want to cleanly get the headers out and check for that leak. Now, when will I do that? Not anytime soon. Because I'm less worried about my motor blowing up because of that. Because now I know that it is most likely a header leak and that there's nothing wrong with my motor. So the next time I drop my K-member will be when I purchase the tubular K-member, which is a lot lighter, and that'll be a lot less of a pain in the butt to take off and put back on. So that'll be when I drop the K-member to check the headers again. But until now, I'm just gonna enjoy the car. I'm gonna enjoy the crap out of it, because I mean, for this thing to sit up, it sat up for almost a month. It was killing me not to drive it. So I don't think I had the Mustang tick. I think I had an exhaust header leak tick. So therefore, I mean, like I said, I don't think it's the Mustang tick. because I replaced the rod bearings, checked my valve lash adjusters, everything seemed fine. So now, do I wish that I found something? I do, because that would be like, you know, hey, hard evidence, boom, found it, something's bad with the rod bearings or whatever. But at the same time, I'm glad that I didn't, because my motor doesn't have issues. And, ooh, nice Evo there. At the same time, you know, I don't have an issue with my car, and I'm glad I don't. And I can drive it now knowing that it's an exhaust leak. Now, am I assuming a little bit? Yeah, but when things heat up, they expand, so it seals up the hole or the leak. So that's why I'm going with exhaust leak. But brand new bolts, brand new gaskets, and the tick's still there when it's cold. So that's where I'm gonna leave it with until I get the tubular K-member and end up putting that on. But I'm a lot less frustrated knowing that it's the exhaust leak. And I get to drive my car. So that makes me happy. But that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to share what I found afterwards, and I hope that this kind of turns out for you guys the same way. Will it possibly mean I need to get new headers? Yeah, but nothing's wrong with my motor, and that's all that I care about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the part 2 and part 1 of this video. Hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will catch you guys next time. Man, why do people just walk in the middle of the street? Like they don't know cars are coming.